Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Animal Crossing New Horizons error code 2002-4057. The error reads, "Corrupted data was found." As per our research, the error comes when users try to download or install a game. Some users shared that it happens after the download is almost complete, and then the error appears saying corrupted data was found. According to our research, this error is likely caused by corrupted data or a faulty micro SD card. In some cases, it may also be related to the console's storage or a pending system update. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device. Once your device restarts, try downloading the game again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your console has any pending system updates. If there are updates, install them and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then the issue might be with your microSD card. Users have reported that switching to a new microSD card resolved the issue. So try using a different microSD card and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then try removing the SD card from your console. This will force the game to install directly into the console's internal memory. After the game is installed, you can put the SD card back in. Once done, check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still doesn't resolve, then we suggest reaching out to Nintendo support. They will be able to assist you further based on your specific console setup. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.